Hi, this is Rani from DTECH. I'm very happy to introduce our factory to you. This time, I want to share with you our DTECH office area. We are focused on research, development, manufacturing, and sales of audio and video. Industrial R&D department, ODM department, and the domestic and foreign sales department. Okay, this is our company introduction. We can see we have the startups. We are found in the 2000 years and our culture. We are mainly deal in three major products. The first one is the serial communication cables and the audio and video series and the computer accessory series. Okay, the sales channels, we have the B2B offline channel and the B2C online channel. Mainly have the Amazon, Shopee, and the Lazada. And the service, we accept the OEM and ODM service. Also have the per-sales, in-sales, and the after-sales service.